This place is beautiful. Look at that arch. This is so awesome. Wow. Good morning, friends. It's Meg. It's Friday, May 24th. It's our second full day in Utah. Yay! We had such a fun day yesterday going to the Grand Canyon. I can't believe we did that. That was so unexpected and just so fun. So we're on our way to Bryce right now. We're going to do the PECCHU Loop Trail. It's about 5 miles, rated as moderate. And then after that, we are going to head on over to Grand Escalante Staircase. So the PECCHU Loop Trail parking lot was full right now, so we're actually just going to switch up our plans a little bit and head right to Grand Escalante Staircase, go check out Devil's Garden, and then we're a little flexible, so we're either going to check out how far Capitol Reef National Park is, and we might head over there, which would be unexpected. We did not plan on doing that at all this trip. But we might come back to Bryce and hike PECCHU Trail, or we can always do it tomorrow morning bright and early after Sunrise Point. Right now. This is so incredible. It goes all the way through Bryce Canyon, through Grand Escalante, and up into Capitol Reef. So this is such an amazing drive. We just got to Devil's Garden and Grand Escalante Staircase National Monument. This place is so cool. It has all these amazing rock formations and arches. All sand trail. This is really cool. So we have decided to go to Capitol Reef National Park. Woo! It'll be our third national park now in 2 days. That's so exciting. We had no plans of going here, but it's only an hour and a half from where we are now in Escalante, so that's not too bad, and then it's another 3 hours back to home. So we figured that's really not that bad. We really want to go see it, and plus we want to finish driving this scenic Byway 12 because it's just incredible. These scenes and these red rocks are absolutely amazing. We found more snow. We just can't get away from it this year so far. We just entered Capitol Reef. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It's literally just red canyons for days. This is so beautiful. It's super different than Bryce and Gren's staircase, so this is so cool. This trail is awesome. We're almost to the end of Hickman Bridge. We just came to this big flat opening. Wow, that was awesome. A+ Hickman Bridge. Now we're just gonna loop back around to the parking lot. Austin traded in his poncho for his raincoat. It's a little lighter rain now. It stopped raining on us. How nice.